YouTube, what's good? It's your boy King Sledge. You already know this is my channel, Show to Head. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to go subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications. Yo, today I've got another unboxing to do. I copped this during the Labor Day weekend last year, so it's been a minute and I haven't had the chance to unbox it yet. So technically I got 30% from the Labor Day weekend discount, and also I had already 20% discount code that had already been emailed me. So I combined both of them and I paid, I think, $112 with tax. So it's a steal right there. But I don't want to talk so much. Let's get into the video because you came here for this, right? You want to see this. Let's get into the video real quick. All right. Okay, so like I said, I paid $112 for these boots. It's a steal. You can check it out if the camera can pick this one up. I paid $112. This is your jolly old Timberland 8 inches boots. The lateral side is kind of plush with your Wheat Nubuck. You've got the bottoms real clean. The hang tag is nothing. Basically, it's just your regular 6 inches plus 2 more additional inches. So lacing these boots can be a little bit tricky if you don't know what you're doing. It can be a little bit sloppy and you've got your shoelaces all over the place. So I'm gonna show how I lace my joints, but let's get talking. Like I said, style starts with you. Let me see how you lace yours. If you cop these and if you have one of these, how do you produce it? What kind of jeans do you wear with these? You know what I'm saying? Like, let's see how it's going, and I'll get into the lacing and the on-feet action real quick. Let's see you on the flip side. Yo, that was some mad foot action. If you liked the video, please don't forget to go subscribe and also like. You can leave your comment, let me know how you did, how you wear your shoes and whatnot. Until then, go follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and you know, all the social media if you will. I'll see you next time. All the best. Out.